He likes peanut butter.
It sure does. Looks funnier on the camera. Get some more.
Let go.
It's all over his mouth. Oh, someone just got off on the carpet? That's nasty.
It's weird. He just keeps going out and up.
It's all.
I know, that's what I said.
Dude, why would you put it back in there?
Because that's almost out. Yeah.
Huh? Oh, okay. I was about to say. That's disgusting, man.
Bear, look up. Bear. She grabbed a pizza off the thing, so now she has to stay in my room.
Go close the door. No. Dude!
Don't close the door. No, she's not closing the door.
Don't close
Barely
Yeah,
close it.
just tell her to go back in there. You don't have to run after her.